Hello, darlings. It's okay as of me now. Thank you all for your love and your support. So it's been a while, darling. So I am back with tutorial. So if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe. And if you subscribe, thank you for doing that. Thank you all for your love and your support. And today we're going to be making this turban. We're going to be making this turban for beginners. So all you have to do is what? Just watch the video step by step, just coming from where you are. And so this is the material that will be needed for this tutorial. This is what we're going to be needing for this turban. We're going to have our tape rule, my scissors. I'm going to have my needle and thread. I'm going to have my glass accessory, just like an accessory. I'm going to have my glue gun. I'm going to have my fabric. The fabric I use in this video, I make use of a stretching tapeter. Again, I use a stretching tapeter. So this is it, and I'll be showing the measurements. We all know the measurements for a normal cap, and if you don't know the measurements for a normal cap, you can just go to all my previous video at the back. Check how to make a simple turban. And so this is the rose part. So this is the rose part, and the rose part comes in the measurement, and you're going to be having 26 inches long. I repeat myself again, we're going to be having a 26 inches long. Again, I'm going to be having 26 inches long. Then for the other side, I'm going to be having 10 inches. So I think you get what I'm saying. Then I'm going to be having two pieces of the fabric. I'm going to be cutting two pieces. Then after cutting the two pieces, I'm going to use my needle and thread to make a running station. Just after this, or just fold it into two. You can't sew this because it's not going to give you what you want. I repeat myself, you can't sew this except you do it the way I am doing it. This is called a running station. Sorry if I'm too fast, I'm very sorry for that. Just see what I'm doing is so easy, and it's so easy. So thank you for the 6,000 subscribers. I'm going to be giving you videos back to back. Let's look at it. So you can message me on WhatsApp if you have a trending pictures, you have a trending turban that you feel like you don't understand. Just send it to me on my WhatsApp. I'm going to pick it up and I'm going to work on it. So this is the running station part. So you're going to tie this, and you make sure the tying is very tight. It's so tight. See what I'm doing? This is so easy to do. And you're going to be, look at it, you're going to be using your needle and thread to sew it in and out. Just use a needle and thread to sew it in and out. So if you're dealing with turban, make sure you use the same thread when you are using the fabric. Like now, I am making up with white material, so I'm going to be working with a white thread. Don't use a black thread or a colored thread, and make sure your work is very neat. Then you put that inside, you tie it, use your needle and thread to tie it. So let's continue. I just have to take a break there. So let's continue. For those of you that called, for those of you that messaged me, it's been almost 6 months that we have a real tutorial on my YouTube channel. Like I said earlier, I gave birth around December. I gave birth to a baby. Sorry, I gave birth to a beautiful princess. Wow. So thank you all for the calls. Thank you all for the message. Thank you all for the prayer. I didn't take this for granted. And so this is our top band. This is our top band. So you just be trying to see how you're going to fix this up. You can use a needle and thread, but I prefer using a hot glue. I'm going to give you a beautiful perfect that is the inside is going to come out neat. You know, when you're using a thread to sew this, the inside will be very, very rough. So I don't want that to happen. That's why I make use of my hot glue. All you have to do is what, plug your hot glue, let your hot glue be very hot. Then you chop uh, chop the gum at the back of the rose. Then you hold it down. And if it's tacking, if you don't have this, you can use a needle and thread to tack it. The tacking is gonna take you time, but you just have to take your time. And don't forget, let your work be neat. That is important when you're doing work. Yes, that is it. After tagging, I'm going to add that two button. It's simple and it's so easy. So this is the intro. So this is a welcome back tutorial. This is a welcome back tutorial from Art of Minion to you. Oh, so bye. See you next time on my next video. Bye.